Hi friends, I am Shiva. Today we are going to discuss the variable attributes. In my previous class, we already learned how to write a basic programs in the PLSQL. So how to use the select into class in the PLSQL program. So in this session, we will learn a variable attributes. In this attributes is using for whatever the base table. Whatever the base here also emp1 is a base table. In this table whatever the data types you have for the suitable columns, that data type and size automatically allocating into our created PLSQL variables. For that they introduce a variable attributes in the PLSQL. So for that we have here two different types of variable attributes. First one is the column level attributes, next one is the row level attributes. For coming to column level attributes, for creating a column level attributes, you have to follow this kinds of syntax. For creating a column level attributes. So these first column level attributes and row level attributes are declaring in the declaration of in the PLSQL program. Okay, this is the syntax you have to follow while you are using the column level attributes. This is the variable name. This is the variable name, table name, column name followed by percentage type. So you have to observe in this example here how to create a column level attributes. This is a variable name. Okay, this is a table name. This one is the column name followed by percentage type. Here also percentage types. Then followed by semicolon. So when you are creating a column level attributes in the PLSQL program, you have to follow this kind of example, then try to declare a PLSQL variables by using column level attributes. You should go for the example for that, how to use in the PLSQL programs. You have to observe on the screen without using column level attributes in the PLSQL program. Here with using column level attributes in the PLSQL program. So these are the declaration part. In the declaration part, I declare two variables. So these two programs output will be getting same, but the declaration part only some difference. Why difference we will learn. So see, observe on the screen. This one is the PLSQL variable name. This one is the data type. Then followed by this size 15. So see here, go to the database, describe emp1, observe in this program. This is the emp underscore name. This one is the PLSQL variable name. This is the data type, varchar to data type size. So now go to the database. In the database table, emp table we have, in the emp table these are the columns. In this columns, observe on the ename column. This ename column having varchar to data type with size 10. But in our program, data type, this is the size. So in the real time program, in the real time table having varchar to data type size, but I maintain here varchar to data type size with 15. In the sense here internally the 5 bytes are wasted. Then we can go to for this variable p underscore shall. This is a PLSQL variable name followed by this data type size is 10. Go to the database. So find it. This is a shall column name. Then find the data types number and size is 7, 2. So in the program here also number data type size is 10. So here also wasting some memory. Okay, here also 5 bytes are here wasted, here also some more bytes are here wasted, but internally the memory will be occupation is very high comparing with base table. Okay, so that for overcoming on this, for overcoming in this, the PLS will be introduce the column level attributes. By using this, whatever the base table you have for the suitable column, on that column whatever the data type and size, the particular data types along with the size automatically allocating to PLSQL variables while we are declaring in the PLSQL program in the declare session by using column level attributes. So observe on the screen, this is the EMP number, EMP1, this is the table name. In the table name we are using this column name, E name is a column name, then followed by percentage type. In the EMP1 is the table name, in the table name we have E name in the column. In the E name column whatever the data type you have, that data type along with size automatically allocating into this created PLSQL variables by using this kind of format in the column level attributes. Then go to this variable, this is a PLSQL variable followed by this format same as above. This is a EMP1. In the EMP1 table having this shall column, in the shall column whatever the data type and size you have on that column, the same data type size automatically allocating into our created PLSQL variables. By following this kinds of format by using column level attributes, here the memory will be not wasted, the program performance will be also very high. So for that they introduce a column level attributes. Okay, see here using a select into class, in the select into class using for retrieving the data from the database table into created PLSQL variables. So now see here, this is the E name value based on this condition followed by this condition, who was the employee number is 7788, that employee name will be storing into in this P underscore E name PLSQL variable. The salary will be storing the salary value will be storing into P underscore shall from the EMP1 table. Then if you want to know for the confirmation the data will be available or not in the created PLSQL variables, we are using the selection in this statement. In this statement I maintain here the variable names P underscore E name and P underscore shall. Then the data will be displaying on the PLSQL environment. So see, by executing these both programs, the data will be getting same or not, we will find as a real time. See here, copy here. So I am go to here, paste in the our tool. Okay, see here, observe on the screen, Scott and is the E name. The E name value storing into in this, shall value will be storing in this. Here by using this data will be displaying in the PLSQL environment. So see here, this is the E name, then shall 4500. Say the same as I am going to in this. Same thing I am copy, go to this our PLSQL environment and paste here. This one also getting same output, Scott and 4500. Here also Scott and 4500. If you want to know this is the exactly is data is available, data will be getting from the EMP table or not, for the confirmation you can go to what here, select E name comma shall, from which table we are retrieved on the previous program, EMP1 table. You have to maintain the where condition, EMP number equal to 7788. Okay, now see in the EMP table having Scott and 4500 salary, for the employee number is 7788. As per this one, I am writing the program above two sessions, in this session and in this session. The same output will be getting or not. So these are the use of to using a column level attributes. So for writing one more program to understanding as easily by using the column level attributes. So see here, declare. So initially I will display the database table, then we'll tell you how what kind of data we should display for that. We'll decide for that. So select star from emp1. So see here, in the emp table I want to display emp number, ename and salary. I want to display on the our PLSQL environment by using column level attributes. So see here, for that I am writing the program here, declare. I am creating some PLSQL variables by using column level attribute. So now p underscore emp number, this one your wish, whatever the name you want to give you can give. So I am giving this kinds of format. Okay. Now see here, this number, this one, the data types and size automatically allocating to the created PLSQL variable name. So for that I am writing for this here. So emp number, sorry, the table name emp1 dot which column, data type and size you want to allocating into in this created PLSQL variable. So this is emp number you have to mention here, emp number followed by percentage type. Then now we can, I am creating other variable p underscore ename, then followed by emp1 dot. So this column I am using this column here, ename. By using in this column whatever the data type size you have, the data type size automatically allocating into created PLSQL variables. As per this one only, then data will be storing into created PLSQL variable. So see here, so now using followed by percentage type. So last variable I want to display the shall also. So now shall variable also PLSQL variable I am creating for storing the data. So now p underscore shall. So here also from which table to data you want to retrieve, emp1 table. So dot which column, so shall column, so I am shall column. So followed by percentage type. Okay. So now begin session I am using. So in this begin session, see here, in this session I am using the select into class for retrieving the data from the database and to storing into our created PLSQL variables. So what for that what I am doing, if I am using the select into class, select. So which column name value you want to retrieve from the emp table, this one, emp number comma ename comma shall, correct. From storing into which variable, this is the created PLSQL variable. This ename value, emp number value storing into created p underscore emp number, emp number. Then this ename value will be storing into created PLSQL variable p underscore ename, comma. Then shall value will be storing into p underscore shall PLSQL variable, p underscore shall. From which table you want to retrieve the data, emp1. As per the where condition, for where condition I am maintaining here, emp number 7788. As per this condition, whoever the employee number is 7788, the suitable data whoever the employee is 7788, the emp number will be storing into in this variable, and ename will be storing into in this p underscore ename. Shall the shall value will be storing in this PLSQL variable from the emp table. From the emp table data will be retrieving based on this condition. Data will be taking by using these columns into storing into this created PLSQL variables. So for the display in the PLSQL environment, then what you will do, dbms underscore out put dot put underscore line p underscore emp number p underscore ename p underscore shall. So now our program will be ended. Now see. Now see here. As per this program, we have declared the column level attributes here in this session. Now by using the select into class, the data will be retrieving from the base table in this table and storing it in this PLSQL variable. Then data will be displayed by using the in this statement. Okay. Now 7788 is code 4500. The data will be getting or not. So this is the column level attributes in the PLSQL program. The next session, the next one is row level attributes.